Week 5 wrap up, May 3rd, 2019. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the 5th week of the 8-week session, it means that we have now covered 5/8 of the class, or the equivalent to 2.5 months worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar and as presented below. A few reminders are in order. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 3 was due tonight, Friday, May the 3rd by 11:59 p.m. However, I have extended the deadline to Sunday, May 5th by 11:59 p.m. due to a technical issue that prevented many of you from posting your threads. Sorry for the inconvenience. The issue has now been fixed. Cultural Geography Special Topic Discussion number 3 is due tomorrow, Saturday, May 4th by 11:59. These two discussions have been available since Wednesday and Thursday respectively. You have to remember that these are two different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit this assignment, but the further away you are from the due dates, the more points will be deducted. Please read the instructions carefully. For all the assignments, many of you continue to lose points due to not referencing the material required to be used in class. That is, your textbook, the lecture notes, the PowerPoints, and the videos. If no explicit references to the materials are made, you are indicating that you are not using the materials. In an online class, you have the entire internet at your disposal, and you may simply Google the information. Be careful with that because the answers that Google gives you may or may not be in the context of cultural geography. Failure to follow directions, not answering the questions, and not referencing the class material will take points away from your total. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules, read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated on the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. Study guides is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there's a group of about 5 students who go on 5 to 6 days without logging in. I'm still waiting your reflections number 2. It should be done by Sunday night. Have a nice weekend. May the 4th be with you, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Best, Samuel Cortez.